I designed a competence insurance program close to 15 years ago that we have been using for the last 10 in our daily job to make sure that my colleagues and friends don't injure themselves at the job, and they have the skilled knowledge needed to do their job. We also use it when we're recruiting. If we recruit a man or a woman who doesn't have the right background, we can hire them anyway and let them pass through this program, and then they will be up and running fully functional as technicians within a very short period of time. When designing a program like this, I think there are two things to keep in mind. One, of course, is the technical aspect of the role. The other one is the learning environment. How can you make the learning environment transparent, prestigeless, and open? Successful companies in the future are the companies that can provide both internal education, some sort of internal education, and I think even more important, internal movement within the company. The companies that can provide this internal transition, movement, internal education, I think will be more and more important when the young people of today, born 2005, 2010, 2015, they are used to instant feedback from internet, and they need that feeling that they are evolving. I would say more than people born in the 50s or the 60s.